Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Friday, March 14th at 7:10 in the morning. Happy Pie Day. So our drawing today has nothing to do with the pie. It is my interpretation of an emu. We didn't have any on the farm, but in Missouri there are lots of emus running around. The weather is kind of conducive, kind of not in the wintertime. I've read as long as you keep them, with shelter in a barn, they'll do just fine. Summers, they're great with. They deal with the heat very well. They come from Australia, and I think they're pretty adorable. They're cute. They're fast. They can run 30 miles per hour, which is 48 kilometers per hour. And as they're running, they will flap their wings trying to fly, which they cannot fly. I was trying to figure out how to make the emu look cute, but like an emu without looking like an ostrich, which I don't know if I accomplished, but this is an emu. So they do eat seeds, plants, and bugs, and rocks, which help them digest food, like others in the bird families. They do make deep booming sounds, which can be heard a long way away. I guess to call mates or keep their buddies close together. The scenery I did for this one was just some flowers and hilly background and a tree. I think the face turned out kind of cute. I had a lot of erasing on the beak. I couldn't get it quite right till the end. So don't get discouraged when you're trying to draw something. Just draw light and erase. Light and erase. I use a thick paper. I believe it's 103 pound is what I've been drawing on, and I've cut it down to 8.5 by 11 to keep my size okay for the coloring book that we're working on. At the end here, you'll see the final drawing. I've been trying to put backgrounds on the drawing at the end of my videos so you can see some real life examples of the creatures or their habitat that they live in. I think it kind of helps. It makes the drawing pop out a little more. So we are getting close to finishing this coloring book, and the next one that I'm going to be working on is going to be ocean life. I'm looking forward to that one. I love the ocean. Haven't been as many times as I would like to, but I do love the ocean and the smell of the salt water. Another thing about these little emus, I've read that they're chaotic with a sense of humor. So if you ever see any out and about, say hi for me. So here's our final drawing, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.